The wind here is treacherous. You can probably hear it. Yeah, there's a lot of wind. I'm just gonna go around this cove, this corner here. As I said, well, it is windy. You can see by the flags. To say I'm sorry for the wind sound. Nothing I can do about that. Now some parents ought to be watching these little kids, I would hope. Wow, the wind has picked up more. Hi. Be careful. Okay? I see. It's a very, very nice place. Now my goal is to get back to the main street here at Baloy. Hopefully I can get it this way. Not gonna do it this way. I know how. I'm gonna go inside here. Pass that way. Hello. Can I get to the road here? The road. Huh?
Very hazard.
Hazard?
We're in working.
Okay, I'll go the other one then. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. That's a nice resort. Yeah. How much cottages? Do you know? 500. Oh, 500? Okay. Oh, thank you. So you're demolishing?
Yes.
Oh, sayang.
Build.
Building? Oh, okay. Okay, thank you.
Hello, my friend.
Huh? Hi. Take care.
Would you like tattoo, sir?
Tattoo? Oh, no. I have already. Salamat. Okay. If I want to, I'll come back here and talk to you. Okay, sure. Thank you. Yeah. They wouldn't let me pass there, so I'll find another way. Anyway, thanks for viewing. Please subscribe.